Hello everyone, this is the FPS drop test in the POCO X8 Pro device. So right now the temperature is close to 43 and 45 degrees Celsius in the mobile phone, as you can see. With this kind of high temperatures is a quick FPS drop test. So right now I'm not getting like 120 FPS. So at this moment I'm getting like 90 FPS only, as you can clearly see guys. 90, 95 it's maintaining. So when the phone reaches to high temperatures, so 120 FPS you cannot expect. Right now I'm trying to use the wild boost option as well. Using with the wild boost I am trying to do, and 120 FPS gaming I'm not getting right now. So I will disable the wild boost. Again I am trying to enable back. So right now you can see the FPS how much it's kind of maintaining at this moment. So with the high temperatures the FPS will decrease in the POCO X8 Pro. This is a POCO X8 Pro. So this is what the quick results, and I'm trying to use with the highest graphic settings. Let me to show you the graphic settings. As you can see, 120 FPS. I'm trying to use everything. As you can see. .93. I can definitely notice some kind of frame drops is happening right now. So in the beginning when I started the gaming test, at that time I did expect like I was able to get pretty good FPS, 120 FPS stable, not 120 but 110, 109, but right now it's stuck at like 90 FPS on. It's not increasing more than that. As you can see guys. So overall 80 FPS I'm getting right now. So 71, 80, you can see how the frame drops is happening right now. And this is after the recent software updates. So definitely the FPS is kind of little bit kind of impacted in terms of the gameplay. So with the high temperatures, so you might see slightly frame drops happening in the POCO X8 Pro. You can see. And right now we got like 115, 105. It's kind of increasing and decreasing. You can see immediately we got like 115, 105 FPS. And right now I'm not touching the screen, and you can see the FPS how it's kind of maintaining at this moment. And using with the wild boost option. And the temperatures 41 degrees Celsius right now, as you can see 40 and 41 degrees Celsius at this moment. Clearly see the temperature readings. Let me to close the game and open again. I did enable the 120 FPS display settings as well. As you can see 120 FPS is turned on. Let me to get back to the game again to show you the FPS. Is it kind of back or not? I think right now we are getting like 115, 120. I think maybe it got like stuck at the 90 FPS. So maybe I think you need to go to the home screen again, come back to the game. So that will boost the FPS to 120 FPS. If you feel like if you face these kind of issues, that's something you should know about in the POCO X8 Pro. So now no issues with that FPS count at this moment. As you can see, no problem with that. So meanwhile, signing off friends, this is a quick information which I thought of letting you guys know regarding the FPS test. After the recent update, this is what some users are actually facing this kind of issues like FPS drop test issues as well.